I will tell you how we can create queries and forms.
In this module, we will learn about Microsoft Access queries, forms and reports. Totals. The totals tool in Access is a set of aggregate functions that calculate values across a range of data. Add a total. Open a database and double-click on a table in the navigation pane to open it in Data Sheet View. On the Home tab in the Records group, click Totals. Within the total row, click on a field that you want to sum and then select Sum from the list. To find the average of the field within the total row, click on a field that you want to average and then select Average from the list. Sorting. Sorting involves arranging records in a table in either ascending or descending order, depending upon the value of any field. To use the sort feature of Access, follow these steps. Open a database and double-click on a table in the navigation pane to open it in Design View. Select a field. From the Sort and Filter group of the Home tab, click on the button to arrange the column elements in ascending order, descending order. Filter. Filter is a criteria or condition depending upon which records will be displayed in Data Sheet View which matches the criteria. To use the filter feature of Access, follow these steps. Open a database in Design View. Select a field. On the Home tab, click on the Filter button. This will bring a pop-up menu on top of the field. You can click on the check boxes to display only those records which you want. Query. A query is a search for records that match the exact criteria you define. Creating a query. To study the use of query, let us use a table called Product. The Product table contains the following data. Open a database and select a table from the navigation pane. Click on Query Design button of Other group in the Create tab. The Show Table dialog box opens, showing all tables in the database in the Tables tab. Select the Product table and click on Add button. The Product table gets added to the query window. In the first field, drop-down list of the query window, select the product name and in second field drop-down list, select quantity. Now click on the criteria cell of the quantity field and type greater than 200. Click on the Save button in the Quick Access toolbar and you will be prompted to save the query. Double-click on the query from the navigation pane. You can now see the result of the query in Data Sheet View. Forms. Forms like tables and queries is an object in Microsoft Access. A form is used to design an interface for the user to enter or display data from a database. Form views. Microsoft Access allows three ways of viewing the form: Form View, Layout View, Design View. The Form View allows viewing and entering data through the form into a table. Design View shows you the detailed structure of the form where you can insert or remove controls from a form. Layout View shows you the form in design mode steps. Select a table from the navigation pane by clicking on it. Click on the Form button of the Forms group in the Create tab. The Access Work area now displays a form in Layout view. You can change the view of the form from the View button of the Form Layout Tools tab. You can change the view of the form from the View button of the Form Layout Tools tab. You can now save your form by clicking on the Save button of the Quick Access toolbar, which will present you with the Save As dialog box where you can type a name for the form and click on the OK button. Split form. A split form is used to give two views of your data at the same time, a form view and a data sheet view. To create a split form, follow these steps.